This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting yourself and preventing sparks. Put on gloves and eye protection, then disconnect the negative cable first to avoid shorting. Once disconnected, remove the terminal clamp and clean the post with a baking soda and water solution. This neutralizes acid and loosens corrosion. Inspect the post. If threads are rounded or the clamp slips, you have a stripped terminal. From here, choose a repair route based on how much metal is missing and how stable the cable seat remains. You now perform the core repair. If damage is light, sand and reshape the post and use a snug sleeve from a repair kit. Once done, slide the sleeve over the post and seat the clamp. This restores contact area and mechanical grip. For moderate stripping, wrap thin aluminum shim or use a conductive paste to fill gaps, then tighten a new clamp with a replacement bolt. If the post is badly damaged, swap the clamp entirely and secure the cable conductor to the new terminal for reliable current flow. Finish by seating the repaired clamp and tightening it to a firm hold. If you have torque specs, use them, otherwise snug plus a small extra turn prevents loosening. Reconnect the positive cable first, then the negative. Start the vehicle and watch for steady voltage and no flicker in lights. This confirms a solid connection. If the engine cranks slowly or the vehicle shows charging faults, test battery voltage and cable continuity. If readings are low, the terminal or battery may need replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.